Good morning class. In last study you have understand how operating system works and what is the structure of operating system. You see, in operating system there is a hardware, there is a kernel, there is a shell and user programs and user. These all things made the operating system, and operating system is a system software which provide an interface between user and computer. Today we have understand what are the functions of operating system. There are many functions of operating system which are given as follows. The first function is starting the computer. The next is execution of program. The next is protection management, computer resource management, computer resource allocation, processor management, memory management and information management. The first thing is starting the computer. We can start and restart the computer. The starting the computer is called cold booting and restarting the computer is hard booting. When we start the computer, the operating system which is exist in ROM come to the RAM and loads all the program which are in secondary storage. After loading all the programs, we see there is a window that is called start window, where we can see there are a lot of menus and icons. Starting the computer, there is a program runs that is called bootstrap loader program, which provides the boot process, and all the program come from the secondary storage into primary storage, where we can run our programs, because central processing unit always work with RAM, not work with ROM. Then what is the next thing? Execution of program. When the system software is ready for running the application program, then there are many application programs like Office programs, MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, and also there are some programs like Paint, like C++, Java, 4GL languages programs, and there are some other programming languages which are web application like HTML, DHTML languages. And the execution of program means to execute any program which is run on the computer, means many application program can run parallelly in the computer, and the operating system run all the programs and store the intermediate result in the form of binary system. And you know, computer always understand the machine language, it does not understand the 4GL language, and it shows the output in the form of binary signals, but our output devices convert these binary signals into 4GL, so we can understand the output of the given by the operating system or given by the secondary storage device. Then the next is protection management. Protection management means to protect our computer or our system. For protecting our computer or system, we use firewalls, we use password, we use user ID. So user ID and password we use with the help of operating system. We can go for the security management, where we can open our firewall to protect from the viruses and other unauthorized users. Then computer resources management. You know, computer have many resources. In CPU we have a lot of buses, we have a lot of input and output devices, and we also have IOCS and BIOS, basic input output system. So for resource allocation, the firstly it asks from the operating system for different jobs, which for which job the OS allocate the CPU first. So there is a time management, there is a process management in our computer. What is the computer resource allocation? There are many resources like input unit, output unit, buses and the other things. So computer can resource allocation with the help of operating system. We can allot the resources like printer, like plotter with the help of operating system. What is the processor management? When we manage the CPU, we manage different jobs, because our computer have multi-programming and multitasking. So for working with multiple program and multiple tasks, we can make the schedule, we can use scheduling, and with the help of scheduling we can manage different job at a time. What is memory management? In memory management, there are many types of memory which is used in our computer. There are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is RAM, that is random access memory, and there are two types of random access memory: SRAM and DRAM. SRAM means static RAM and DRAM is dynamic RAM. There are types of ROM, EROM, EPROM, UV, EPROM. So many types of ROMs, and there is a cache memory. There is also magnetic memory in the form of disk, and we can use two type of disk, SATA and PATA, serial access and parallel access ports. So we can manage our memory with the help of operating system. And the last is information management. How we can manage our information, how information goes to the user, how information goes to the RAM. So this part is also managed by the operating system. So now we understand what are the functions of operating system. So the function of operating systems are starting the computer, execution of programs, protection management, computer resource management, computer resource allocation, processor management, memory management, and information management. In next class, we briefly explain each and every topic with the help of some examples and with the help of some other type of things and functions. So now you understand what are the functions of operating system. Thank you, class.